All right, example number 2 of simplifying radicals. This time we're asked to simplify the square root of 72. Step number 1, write the prime factorization of my radicand. So I'm going to break down 72. Let me put it in the correct, cutting correctly. What goes into 72? Well, I know it's even, so that means 2. 2 goes into 72, 2 goes into 7 3 times. It's 12 left over, it's 36. 2 goes into 36, 18 times. And I can do a lot of dividing by 2's because these are all even numbers. 2 goes into 18 9 times. 2 does not go into 9, but the next biggest prime is 3. 3 goes into 9 3 times. Now what goes into 3? I know that 2 doesn't, 3 does, and 3 goes into 3 one time. So these are my prime factors of the number 72. Step number 2, determine the index of the radical. The index of this radical is 2 because there's nothing here. If the index is 2, circle the groups of 2, identical numbers of variables. Okay? Let me put these back inside. I have 1, 2, 3, 3 2's, and 2 3's. Step number, okay, I circled the groups. There's a group of 2 and a group of 3. The number of variables, the number or variables from each circled group will show up outside the radical symbol one time. There's a group of 2, so that'll show up outside, and a group of 3, that will show up outside. Anything left uncircled will remain under the radical. If everything under the radical symbol circled, the radical symbol will disappear. All right, so it says there's nothing, there is a 2 left over, so I'm going to keep that there. Multiply the numbers and variables outside the radical together. I'm left with a 2 times 3 on the outside. That gives me a 6, and a 2 left on the inside. So I'm saying that the square root of 72 is the same thing as 6 times the square root of 2. I'm going to check it. Move that thing. I don't know what I just did. Wow. Square root of 72, second, x squared 72 equals 8.48 or so. 6 times the square root of 2 will also give me 8.48. So that's how I know that they are correct answers.